PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, January 20, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, January 20, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong January 20, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later' for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, January 20, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for January 20, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, January 20, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.